Hi guys, I'm Kate and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a bear. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. I'm using a black marker, but you can also use a black oil pastel. Let's draw the nose. Make it oval. After that, color it in. Let's make a vertical line, then a mouth which is curvy. Then draw an oval around the nose and the mouth. Then let's draw two eyes. Then draw the body, which is like an upside down U. Then draw the ears. Next, the hands. Do the other side. Then make little claws. Make them 4. Let's do the background. I'm doing hills and mountains. Okay, let's do the big mountains. Our bear is done. Now it's time to color. I'm using a watercolor paint, but you can also use oil pastel. I'm using green. It's one of my favorite colors. I'm choosing another color. You can choose any color you want for your hills and mountains. Now I'm using the color blue. Isn't it a wonderful color? You know what? I have learned that the background color should be different from the foreground color, which is the bear's color. Otherwise, we cannot see it clearly. Just like my hills, I want my mountains to be colorful. But you can also color it natural, like green and brown. Almost done. Just one more color. And there. Now it's time to color the sky. You can also choose yellow and orange, like the one in the side. Now it's time to color the bear. I'm choosing brown. When you're painting, it's good to start at the sides of the object. To make the color more even, you just have to go through it again and again until you're satisfied. For the nose and the mouth, I'm using a light color. Now we're done! Thank you for drawing along with me. I hope you love your bear. See you next time for our next draw along with me. Bye!